Hello everyone. Today we will talk about vehicle tracking system within a closed wall system such as service workshop, parking garage, etc. Time is the most critical essence in today's life. Delays in any process causes both cost overruns and revenue loss. A vehicle tracking system not only helps enhancing customer experience but also provides crucial insights to reduce time overruns. What you see on the screen is the layout of a four-wheeler service workshop. Please be mindful that this concept can be extended to any vehicle type workshop. Different areas are marked in different color circles. For example, blue circle dots represents workshop entry and exit gate. The pink circle dots represents space where vehicles are received and handed over back to customers. The red circle dots represents service and repair bays. To track a vehicle during its service journey, its time stamp and location stamp must be captured with high accuracy. Most importantly, for this system to succeed, it must be completely free from manual intervention. As you can see on the screen, typically a vehicle travels through various stages inside a workshop during a routine service or specialized repair. All this invaluable process data can be leveraged to improve workshops' financial and customer satisfaction performance. In today's time, data is the new oil, and enterprises of all sizes are striving hard to make best use of their own data to drive their business efficiencies up. This is an example of a live customer dashboard, as displayed in the customer waiting area, just as what you see at an airport. If needed, automated messages can be sent to customers, providing latest details of their vehicles as they progress through the workshop. If needed, one can easily go back in time and see a specific vehicle's journey in detail. Highly valuable insights can be deduced from this system. For example, 190 vehicles have again gone back for repairs after washing. This is a waste of time and money and needs to be questioned. On a closer look, one can see that on an average, worst 10% contributors spend over 10 hours in workshop. Time saved here could have been used in some other productive areas. If utilized properly, this system can transform a business operations completely. Contact us today for live demo of this solution. We provide digital solutions to enterprises of all sizes, leveraging Microsoft Enterprise platforms. Thanks for watching.